Alright, so it's 2025. Technology is moving incredibly fast, as always. Two tools are really at the center of how we interact with digital information: Google Chrome and ChatGPT. These tools are fundamentally shaping how we work, learn, and entertain ourselves. A vast number of people across the globe use them every single day. This essay is going to take a close look at both of these powerful tools. We will explore their strengths and weaknesses. We'll try to figure out which one might be considered better, or perhaps if they achieve their best results when used together. Google Chrome has been a familiar name for quite some time now. It's a well-established web browser, a gateway to the internet for many. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a newer player. It's an artificial intelligence with some truly impressive capabilities. Both are undeniably powerful. However, they operate in very different ways and serve distinct purposes for users. This year, 2025, marks a significant point in the evolution of technology. Artificial intelligence is becoming integrated into more aspects of our lives. Reliable internet access is more crucial than ever before. So let's talk about Google Chrome first. For many people, when they think of a web browser, Chrome is what comes to mind. It is by far one of the most widely used browsers globally. Chrome is very well known for its speed and performance. It is also praised for its clean, simple user interface. Essentially, it is the application that connects us to the vast world of the internet, making web navigation seamless. Chrome comes packed with some really neat and useful features. Tab groups, for example, are a fantastic tool for organization. Cross-device synchronization is another major benefit for users. All your bookmarks, browsing history, and even open tabs can be synced across your different devices. Privacy controls are, of course, a very important consideration for any web browser. Chrome offers users several settings to manage their online privacy. Incognito mode is a popular feature that lets you browse the web without saving your history. Google is constantly working on updating these features. They aim to strike a balance between a personalized user experience and robust security measures. It's a continuous challenge in today's digital age. Now, let's shift our focus to ChatGPT. This is a fundamentally different kind of tool compared to Chrome. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence. More specifically, it's a very sophisticated conversational AI. It was developed by the research and deployment company OpenAI. What makes it special is its ability to understand and process human language effectively. It can then generate text that sounds remarkably human and natural. Using it often feels like you are talking to an extremely knowledgeable and helpful assistant. It has significantly changed how many people interact with and perceive AI technology. One of ChatGPT's most prominent key features is its capacity to provide direct answers to questions. You can ask it almost anything. Instead of just giving you a list of links to browse, like a search engine, it provides a synthesized answer. It can explain very complex topics in simple, easy-to-understand terms. It can help you write various types of text, such as emails, essays, or summaries. It can even generate computer code in multiple programming languages. This represents a huge leap forward. It's much more than simple information retrieval. It's about understanding and generation. Content creation is an area where ChatGPT truly shines and demonstrates its power. Section 4, Head-to-Head Search Portal versus Creative Partner. So, when we put Google Chrome and ChatGPT side by side, how do they really compare? It's clear that their core functionalities are vastly different. Google Chrome is, at its heart, a search portal. Its primary job is to help you find and access information that already exists on the World Wide Web. It gives you a structured way to navigate countless websites. It acts as your reliable navigator for the vast ocean of the internet. Essentially, Chrome shows you what other people and organizations have created and published online. ChatGPT, on the other hand, functions more like a creative partner or an intelligent problem solver. It doesn't just locate existing information for you. Its main strength lies in its ability to generate new content. It processes the information it has been trained on and then provides you with a synthesized, often unique answer or creation. It can help create something that did not explicitly exist in that form before you asked. This marks a fundamental distinction between the two. One tool is primarily for finding existing things, the other is for making new things. This is the core of their difference. With Google Chrome, you usually start by typing keywords into the search bar. With ChatGPT, the interaction feels more like a dialogue or a conversation. Section 5. Taskmasters, Chrome and ChatGPT in everyday scenarios. Let's consider some practical, real-world scenarios to see how these tools perform. Imagine a student who is researching a complex historical topic for a school project. Google Chrome would be an excellent tool in this situation. It provides immediate access to a vast array of diverse sources. These can include academic papers, reputable news articles, historical archives, and educational videos. The student can use Chrome to compare information from different sources. They can also explore various perspectives on the historical events. In this context, Chrome acts as the essential gateway to this wealth of existing data and knowledge. Now let's think about what happens after the research phase. Suppose that same student needs to write an outline for their history paper. This is where ChatGPT could become incredibly helpful. The student could ask ChatGPT to generate a potential outline. They could base this request on key events, important figures, or specific themes they discovered during their research. ChatGPT can suggest a logical structure for the paper. It might even be able to draft an introductory paragraph to get them started. Section 6. Unleashing potential creativity, code, and content. When it comes to tasks that require a high degree of creativity, ChatGPT often has a distinct advantage. It possesses the capability to write original poems or short stories. It can help compose lyrics for a song. It can even assist in designing characters or plot points for a fictional work like a game or a novel. These are creative endeavors that Google Chrome, by its nature, cannot perform. Chrome is excellent at finding examples of creative work done by others. However, it cannot generate new, original creative work itself. This ability is a significant plus for ChatGPT users. Coding and software development represent another area where ChatGPT is proving to be a surprisingly powerful tool. Many developers, from beginners to experienced professionals, are using it. They utilize it to help write snippets of code for various functions. They also use it to debug existing code that might have errors. ChatGPT can explain complex programming concepts in a simplified manner. It can even assist in translating code from one programming language to another. Section 7. Privacy, security, and the synergistic path forward. Finally, let's touch upon the crucial topics of privacy and security. These are, quite rightly, very big concerns for tech users in 2025. Google Chrome, being a product of Google, does collect user data. This data is primarily used to provide personalized advertisements. It is also used to improve Google's various services and products. Chrome offers a range of privacy settings that users can configure. However, it's important to understand that Google's core business model relies heavily on data. Users should always be aware of this. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, also processes user data. The conversations you have with the AI can be used by the company. OpenAI states that this data is used to train and improve its AI models. There are options available to users to manage their data and conversation history, but the fundamental nature of AI development means that it learns from the interactions it has. Therefore, users need to exercise caution. It is advisable not to share highly sensitive personal or confidential information in prompts given to the AI. This is a crucial step for maintaining your digital safety and privacy. The real power, the ultimate productivity boost, comes from using both Google Chrome and ChatGPT together, synergistically.